Hello everyone, welcome back to my classes on retail promotion. Today we are going to discuss the topic objective of advertising and how it works. I'm Priyanka Majumdar from Retail Services, Northeast Skill Center. Objective of our today's class is explain how advertising works. So after end of the class, you should be able to explain how advertising in a retail store works. Advertising objective can be classified into four purposes through informative advertising, persuasive advertising, reminder advertising, and reinforcement advertising. Informative advertising capture attention of the audience. Persuasive advertising create desire among the target customer. Reminder advertising encourage actions of the target audience. And reinforcement advertising generate reassurance of customer interest on your product or service. Advertising objective. First is informative advertising. Informative advertising capture attention of the audience, telling the market about the new product, suggesting new uses of the product, informating the market of a price change, explaining how the product works. So informative advertising in total tell, explain, inform, suggest a relative new concept or product towards the market. Advertising capture attention of the audience. People need to understand about your product and how it solves their problem before they can decide whether or not the product is right for them. According to the Business Dictionary, informative advertising is any kind of promotion that educates the public on first, what are the benefits and features of the product, second, what it does and how can it do, third is how it compares with competing or similar brands in case of values and benefits, fourth is where it can be bought. So let's see a small video clip or video commercial on informative advertising.
41, 42, ice cream.
रोहन खाने से पहले सदा हाथ धोना कभी भी ना भूलेंगे हो।
घर हो या बाहर पानी हो ना हो पर डेटॉल डेटॉल हो।
घर पे सिखाई अच्छी आदतें अब बाहर भी जाएंगी, क्योंकि डेटॉल हैंड सैनिटाइजर करे घर वाले हैंड वॉश जैसा असर और दे 100 बीमारी फैलाने वाले जर्म से सुरक्षा। तभी तो मामा ने सिर्फ डेटॉल का धुला।
Advertising. Persuasive advertising building brand preference, encouraging switching to brand, changing customer preferences or product attributes. Persuasive advertising create liking, preference and conviction to buy a product or service. The best case study we have witnessed on television are between Coca-Cola and Pepsi and competing toothpaste brands like Oral-B and Colgate. Brands send persuasive messages differentiating their product benefit from the competitors. They aim to educate, build brand loyalty and to secure conviction by their products over competitor. So in our next video clip, we'll see about the persuasive advertising.
दांत खट्टे कर देना। बच्चों, इस मुहावरे का मतलब बताओ।
सर,
हाँ बताओ।
इस मुहावरे का मतलब है कि दांतों में नींबू लगा देना। सर,
हाँ बताओ।
इस मुहावरे का अर्थ है किसी को हरा देना। जैसे कि पतंजलि दंत कांति टूथपेस्ट ने सारे विदेशी कंपनियों के टूथपेस्ट के दांत खट्टे कर दिए सर।
शाबाश।
इसीलिए पतंजलि दंतकांति बन गया है करोड़ों देशवासियों का भरोसेमंद हर्बल टूथपेस्ट, जिसमें है लौंग, अकरकरा, नीम, टुमरू, बबूल, गोलशीरी जैसे लाभकारी जड़ी बूटियां। दांतों को दे लंबी उम्र का वरदान।
Another example of persuasive advertising where it brings you home security. So,
Hi, it's Vince with
security
Sham
as
Wow.
an
You'll be
issue
saying wow
where
every time you use this
individual
towel.
can
It's like a
easily be
chamois,
persuaded.
it's like a towel, it's like a sponge. A regular
Reminder advertising. Reminder advertising encourages your actions. Reminder advertising remind the consumer that the product may be needed in near future. Remind consumers where to buy it. Stimulate repeat purchase of the product and service. This kind of reminder advertising generally used by life insurance companies to buy the product for near future. If something happens to you, who will be there to take care of your loved ones? They generally use some persuasive, some reminder kind of taglines to recall you, to make you aware of the product. So reminder advertising in generally recall and repeat with taglines or images. Let's see a small video for reminder advertising in our next slide.
कौन हो आप?
यमराज।
यमराज?
तुम्हारा टाइम खत्म हो गया।
यमराज प्लीज मुझे छोड़ दो। मेरे घर वालों का क्या होगा? बहन की शादी, बेटी की पढ़ाई, घर का खर्चा, गाड़ी की EMI।
क्यों? टर्म इंश्योरेंस नहीं लिया तुमने?
भूल गया।
हमें PolicyBazaar.com पे 1 करोड़ का टर्म इंश्योरेंस सिर्फ ₹680 महीने में मिल रहा है। वो भी नहीं ले पाया तुम जैसे लोग हैं जो अपने परिवार का ध्यान नहीं रखते। अब भुगतो। चलो खड़ो, चलो भैया, टाइम रहते टर्म इंश्योरेंस करवा लो PolicyBazaar.com पे। अस्पताल में चप्पल पहन के घूमेगा? चल PolicyBazaar.com। जेंटलमैन ने खून पसीने से इतना पैसा कमाया और हॉस्पिटल के बिल में सारा गवा दिया। काश इसने PolicyBazaar.com पे 5 लाख का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस सिर्फ 500 रुपए महीने में लिया होता तो आज ये हाल ना होता। PolicyBazaar.com।
ये आखिरी साइन और हो गई आपकी इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी।
पहले जरा PolicyBazaar.com पर कंपेयर तो करो।
कंपेयर क्या करना है? इन्होंने बोला ना इस पे बेस्ट रिटर्न मिलता है।
और टैक्स भी बचेगा भाभी जी,
टैक्स तो हर इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी बचाती है।
देखिए मैं तो आपके भले की बात कर रहा था, बाकी
चाय नीचे रखिए। अपना भला ना हम खुद देख लेंगे और PolicyBazaar.com पर कंपेयर करके ज्यादा रिटर्न्स वाली पॉलिसी लेंगे।
PolicyBazaar.com पे ज्यादा रिटर्न, ज्यादा फायदा।
कैसा अभी?
हॉस्पिटल का बिल 1 लाख से ऊपर जा चुका है, बाकी सब बढ़िया है।
बिल? तूने तो PolicyBazaar.com का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कंपेयर
किया था पर वो खरीदना भूल गया।
नहीं, ये तो सुपरमैन है, इन्हें तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता। PolicyBazaar.com पे 26 कंपनीज के 100 से ज्यादा प्लान कंपेयर करके हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ले सकते थे,
पर नहीं लिया। कौन सा प्लान बेस्ट है ये भी पता चल जाता।
5 लाख का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस सिर्फ 650 रुपए पर मंथ में। PolicyBazaar.com।
अरे निकालो तो सही, हम तो मंगल ग्रह पे टेंडर डाल दे।
फिर आ गए। तुम्हारा टेंडर नहीं पास होने वाला
है? अरे छोड़िए बेटा, सुना आपके पति की तबीयत खराब है।
हाँ, अब कैसे है भाई साहब?
कल ऑपरेशन है।
इलाज का खर्चा जानलेवा।
5 लाख।
5 लाख? सोचा।
हेल्प।
मिठाई नहीं, दवाई के लिए।
बीमारी कभी मजबूरी ना बन जाए, इसलिए हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ले लिया है हमने PolicyBazaar.com पे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर हेल्प।
PolicyBazaar बोली,
गेट आउट बोली।
हेल्प उठा।
मजबूरी नहीं, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस चुनिए PolicyBazaar.com।
This is another example of reminder advertising where ICA is giving you some hints to manage your products before it gets spoiled. Now we'll talk reinforcement advertising. It generates reassurance of customer interest, assuring customer that they have made the right choice. Reinforcement reassure, justify, validate customer choice. So reinforcement advertising intended to reassure purchasers, to tell them that they have made the right choice, the right thing by buying the product or particular brand, to explain how to get the best result, most satisfaction from its use. The purpose of reinforcement advertising is to maintain market share. Let's see a small video clip on reinforcement advertising.
I'm Lindsay Lohan. Do you stress out about your skin? Do you freak when you break out overnight? Well, help is on the way. It's called Proactive Solution. I'm a normal person and I do get zits. And I'm not happy when I do, so I like to try and find anything that's preventative towards it, and Proactive has done that for me. Proactive heals acne, but the best thing, so it works every day like skincare. That's how I use it, and it works.
Now's your chance to join Lindsay Lohan and millions more who've cleared their skin with Proactive Solution. Named Best Acne Treatment by Allure Magazine.
I don't like breakouts. I don't want breakouts, so I use Proactive every day.
Developed by 2 Stanford-trained dermatologists, Proactive is the #1 best-selling acne system in America.
Acne's random. It shows up by surprise. My skin, thanks to Proactive, is clear all the time.
Wouldn't you like to be clear too? Get a 30-day kit of Proactive for just $19.95. Proven 3-step system, you can heal acne today and prevent future breakouts tomorrow.
It's standard, and it has the 3 steps, and it's easy to take with you. It's also easy to travel with, which I find really good. I actually think I keep some in my car, too.
Try Proactive now and get a special free gift. It's the amazing Refine to zap problem zits fast.
I use the actual refining mask. I would put it on overnight, and it dries it up really quickly, which is great. Proactive guarantees your face will be clean, healthy, and blemish-free, or your money back. So with a 60-day guarantee, why not try it? What have you got to lose? Everyone has, and I recommend trying Proactive. Proactive Solution. You know about it, you've heard about it, but have you tried it?
Act quickly and receive a free upgrade to priority mail shipping. Call 1-800-537-9900.
I'm Lindsay Lohan, and I'm proud to be Proactive.
Let's go for a small recap. So we have decided and discussed about advertising objective. First, we have discussed about informative advertising. Informative advertising captures attention of the audience by telling the market about the new product, suggesting new uses for the product, informing the market of a price change, explaining how the product works. Then comes persuasive advertising. It creates desire through building a brand preference, encouraging switching to your brand, changing customer preferences or product attributes. Then comes reminder advertising, which encourages actions. Remind consumers that the product may be needed in near future. Remind consumer where it can be buy. Then reinforcement advertising. It generates reassurance of customer interest, reassuring customer that they made the right choice. Thank you so much for the class, and thank you so much for your attention. If you have any queries, you can contact me in my number, that is 8474 077 687. Stay home, save life.